Dear Madam, teacher and all my dear friends, my name is Geetika, Jain grade 6. Today I will experiment about how to blow the balloon without our mouth. So let's start. First we want a plastic bottle, vinegar and baking soda. So let's try. So first we will take the vinegar in the bottle. Okay, slowly it will go moving it. So slowly it will go up. Thus, yes. Now we will put the soda on the balloon. I have put the baking soda on balloon. So let's this experiment start. So I have attached with the bottle. So let's start the match. 1, 2, 3, and go! Yes, it's working. Yes, see, I blow the balloon without my lips and mouth. See, I'm blowing. Yes. See, I have blown the balloon. So here see my practical also, because of the vinegar also is an acid and the baking soda is also a soda. So soda and acid is mixed into gas. So I have increased the gas also on a pen. So thank you everyone. Have a good day.